The state of Maharashtra was the worst affected by coronavirus. It's now, however, improved its infection tally by strictly following its crisis management protocol. The Supreme Court has also praised Mumbai's response in particular to the spread of COVID-19. They've proposed that the Mumbai model should be replicated in Delhi as well. At 0.6%, the city's death rate is among the lowest now in the world. And in the national tally, Mumbai's share of new cases has fallen to less than 1% in May 2021 as opposed to 20% in May 2020. So 1 year on, huge difference. And the credit has to go to the BMC commissioner and his team. The BMC chief and IAS officer Iqbal Chahal says that BMC's success in keeping the death rate low is a result of its long-term programs. First, focus on contact tracing. With contact tracing projects, BMC workers were able to effectively dispense medical aid to homes. These homes were in several containment zones, about 2,300 containment zones, with about 150,000 at-risk people completely isolated in hotels and COVID care centers. These efforts, therefore, led to a flattening of the curve in July 2020 itself. Bed allocation is again something the team focused on. Now, when patients apply for hospitalization, a team of BMC doctors review each case and then decide whether it warrants a bed or not. This micromanagement has helped the BMC ensure a supply of beds constantly for those who need it. Decentralized COVID war rooms is something that the BMC also did. After scrapping COVID command centers in late 2020, the BMC thought of decentralizing the approach. They set up command posts in each of the city's 24 wards, and these wards were equipped with ambulances, with doctors, with telephone operators, and also the basic infrastructure needed. Each ward was then made responsible for about 7 lakh people, and this arrangement effectively distributed the massive logistical burden of the All Mumbai Command Center.
Actually, होम घर में लोग हैं जो सिम्टोमेटिक हैं, जिनको बहुत जल्दी रिपोर्ट की जरूरत है, ऐसे जो होम स्वैब कलेक्शन वाले लोग हैं, वो कॉर्पोरेट मिक्स हो रहे थे और 56,000 के क्राउड में उनको 2 दिन 3 दिन लग रहे थे उनकी रिपोर्ट आने में। अगर 50,000 से ऊपर टेस्टिंग करेंगे तो डिले आएगा, 1 दिन के अंदर रिपोर्ट नहीं आ पाएगी। तो मैंने उनको बोला कि जो कॉर्पोरेट टेस्टिंग है उनको आप बाजू में करिए, वो 2 हफ्ते 3 हफ्ते 4 हफ्ते रुक सकती है, परंतु जो बेचारे सिम्टोमेटिक लोग हैं जिनको इमीडिएटली ट्रीटमेंट की जरूरत है उनको आप प्रायोरिटाइज करिए।
What about oxygen management? Well, one mark of success, and it's a huge one, is that against Mumbai's daily oxygen need of 230 metric tons, the BMC can supply up to 275 metric tons per day. Effective oxygen management is one of the 25 initiatives that the civic body has implemented. The Mumbai model says not to force hospitals to increase their bed counts beyond the limit of the oxygen storage and delivery systems. Chahal says that it's not the supply of oxygen but the inadequate storage that has always caused a problem. Another important step the BMC took is walk-in COVID care centers. At the beginning of 2021, the BMC introduced walk-in COVID care centers for those who were ill but had not tested positive for COVID-19. People in these facilities are provided immediate care and they're tested again for COVID. Positive cases are then taken to the COVID wards, negative cases to other wards, to non-COVID wards. With this, the authorities were able to save 22,000 lives. These protocols together make up the Mumbai COVID model. As COVID cases continue to mount, Iqbal Chahal's next big challenge in Mumbai is the vaccination drive.